Thanks for joining me for today's scale study. Today, concert D minor. The concert D minor scale for our alto saxophone is going to require an F sharp and a C sharp. So we're going to need our F sharp fingering and our C sharp fingering. We'll also need an A sharp, which is the same as a B flat, because we'll be playing the concert D minor harmonic minor scale. Let's jump into number 1, where we start on the note B. My metronome is set at 70 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, B, then C sharp. If you missed the C sharp, or if you missed the F sharp, or even the A sharp, pause this video now, rewind back, and play it again. Remember, accuracy builds success. Now, let's move on to number 2, the harmonic minor scale and arpeggio 8th note. Remember those F sharps, C sharps, and the A sharp to make it harmonic minor. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Next, we'll do the minor chord study. I'll play the bottom notes, so I'll need the A sharp, but you'll be playing the top notes, and you'll require the C sharp. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Now we'll do the pattern of thirds exercise. We'll need C sharps and F sharps primarily throughout this study. Keep an open ear to make sure that you're hitting all these C sharps and F sharps. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Nice. Now let's move on to our chromatic pivot scale. Our pivot note today is the note F sharp, so we'll be playing many F sharps in this chromatic pivot scale. We're going to also need a fingering for F natural, an E natural, a D sharp, a D, a C sharp, a C natural, and the B natural to end. Remember, the chromatic pivot scale pivots back to the same note, but then it descends using a chromatic scale. Here we go. 1, 2, ready. Next is our chromatic scale. I'm hoping that by now you're starting to work out those commonly mistaken fingerings like D sharp and A sharp. And hopefully you're recognizing that A flat is a G sharp, or that G flat is an F sharp, or that C sharp and D flat are the same as well. So let's do that chromatic scale. 1, 2, ready, and. And we'll finish today's advanced scale study with the chorale. Why don't you play the top notes as I'll play the bottom notes? we'll need C sharps and F sharps, and you'll need an A sharp in the second measure of the second line. Remember, A sharp is B flat. Okay? Here we go, chorale. 1, 2, ready, begin. There you go. Concert D minor. I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you'll consider playing this advanced scale study again, or moving on to some of our other advanced scale studies. I hope this has been helpful. I hope to see you again soon. Keep practicing.